In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Whop to kickstart a business, learn a new skill, and build a valuable network. We'll be diving into creating a product on this versatile platform, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you can follow along easily and confidently. To get started, you'll first want to visit the Whop website. Once there, you'll find an inviting space aimed at helping you propel your business ideas or educational passions. It's a one-stop hub to discover endless opportunities or initiate your own. Next, look for the option to create a new product. This is the crux of where you'll start shaping your ideas into a tangible offering. Click on Create Product and you'll be guided through an intuitive interface that makes it straightforward to drum up your concept. At this stage, you'll have access to various features that will enhance the appeal and functionality of your product. Now it's time to add a title. Your title is the first impression your audience will have of your product, so make sure it's clear and catchy. Think about what encapsulates your product best and what will draw in potential customers. It's essential to clarify what you're offering within just a few words. Once you have your title down, move on to adding a headline. The headline can further delve into the specifics of your product, acting more like a subheading that gives a teaser of what's to come or highlights key benefits. This is a vital spot to showcase exactly how your product stands out from the rest. Next, navigate to payment methods. This is where you'll set up how you wish to receive income from your product sales. Whop offers a variety of payment options catering to what best suits your customer base and business model. Selecting the correct payment methods is crucial as it directly impacts your revenue and customer satisfaction. Finally, you'll want to confirm everything by clicking Create Product. With this step, you bring your vision to life. It's an exciting culmination of your effort, setting your product into motion within the Whop marketplace. Throughout this process, maintain a focus on what uniquely characterizes your product and align it with your goals. Personalize each feature to resonate with your audience and don't hesitate